This is elevation pitch for Geo778, the final project, Canadian National Capital Region's flood monitoring system. My name is Max Guo. Full name in Chinese is Jiaqi Guo. I'm going to present you today why I'm making this project, why I think it's a great idea to make a product like this. So the intention of this product is to create this tool that allow user to view the historical floodplain area information for the Ottawa region, and also allow citizens to provide their input from the observations with various information types, such as just text or pictures or videos, things like that. The goal is to help user prepare for the potential flood hazard, and also potentially help government bodies to enhance the prevention practice for the higher risk areas, and if possible, also help insurance companies to gain insight and build their financial planning models for the different regions. Why should I make a product like this? Isn't there already information like that available from the city of Ottawa? So there is, but residents have no proper method to share or communicate with the city about their observations. They can generally make a phone call, but it will take forever for the city to pick it up due to the volume. And then the data city collects are not up to date. Last time I checked, the data was like the newest data they had was 4 years ago. So obviously that's not going to be very helpful given recent years global warming effects. The Ottawa regions, the weather has changed dramatically for the past couple of years. So I think there's more chance for different natural disaster, flood included. Also, the technology used for the information sharing is not really suitable. So I was looking at the information shared from the City of Ottawa. It is using Esri technology, but it's using an older version of the JavaScript API, built with Esri's web app builder, which is not really the best way to do it. And also, I don't know where the information or application is being hosted. It's very slow to respond, and then sometimes the website will crash too. So I think it's time for us to use the better technology to do things like that. And also not only for information sharing, also for interaction, user interaction, data interaction, and possibly some front-end analysis. The timeline of this project will be first prepare the data, and then from March 7th, we'll do a mockup. From 14th to 21st, we'll do backend development. 28th to April 11th, we'll do front-end development using the technology we choose. And then April 18th, we'll do the product deployment and documentation. And then 21st, it will be a demo day. The deliverable for this project will be a video demo of the application, a documentation for the product overview, and some basic user manuals. Also, I think that will be very important is the deployment guide to help user deploy the application to different environments. And next, I'm going to show you one sample that City has right now to give you an idea what my end product will possibly look like. This is a web application hosted by City of Ottawa. Right now, it is using Esri's technology. As you can see here, it is using web app builder and leveraging Esri JavaScript API 3.x. It is useful. It provides a lot of information here, as you can see from the layer list. But unfortunately, there's no great data interaction method. And then the technology used is kind of old. So it's kind of slow in terms of data interaction. I don't turn on a lot of layers right now. It looks okay because I don't have a lot of layers turned on. But if I turn on like more than 5 layers, things will be very laggy. And sometimes this website will crash too. My plan is to create something like this, but hosting users' input data into a separate data entity, for example, a Postgres, and leveraging both the information available for City of Ottawa and also our own data, give a user a better experience to see the flood regions and then do interactions allow users to provide information such as photos or videos to be stored, video addresses to be stored in the data fields. And then apply using turf.js, which is the technology provided by Alex, to do front analysis.